I know what you're thinking. I have too many pairs of shoes, and you are not wrong. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and I hope you're having an amazing summer. Today, I thought we would go through what is new in my wardrobe for summer. I've been collecting a few different pieces here and there throughout the last 2 months that I've been getting a lot of wear out of, and I wanted to talk about today. This summer, I have been in class all day. I'm a student again, so I've been trying to get dressed for being in air conditioning all day long, and then when I step outside it is like sweltering. So it's a really tough balance. There's also been a lot of really amazing sales so far this summer. I think retail across the board has been a little less productive than in years past. So a lot of brands have excess inventory that they are trying to get rid of. So it's been really amazing for us consumers. I've got a mix of everything. I have tops, pants, skirts, and I even have 2 new pairs of shoes. Let's get started. All right, the first item I have is a Dôen item. I know. I have so many white tops from Dôen, but I swear they're all different. So they all have a purpose in my closet. I have never purchased this top before, and I know that it's kind of a basic for most Dôen lovers. So this is the Henry top. It is this beautiful cotton lightweight blouse, and it is a little bit more on the sheer side, which I love because it is so comfortable when it is incredibly hot outside. So like I mentioned, it's 100% organic cotton. It has this beautiful ruffle lacy detailing down the front. There are buttons if you want to button it up. I can just slip this over my head pretty easily, so I actually don't really use the buttons. And this is the top that works so well with pants, skirts, shorts, anything under the sun. It's really versatile. What makes this one different than some of my other white tops from Dôen is I feel like even though it's on the sheer side, the neckline is very appropriate. Some of my other Dôen tops I feel like are a little lower cut, and sometimes they like slip off my shoulders. This one is like a nice traditional V-neck top that doesn't go too low, so I find that this is really nice to wear to school. In particular, I've been wearing this a lot with this pair of tan pants that I also am going to talk about soon, and I think it makes a really cute outfit. So I've been loving this one. If you are on the fence about the Henry top, honestly, I would say any white tops from Dôen, this would be my #1 recommendation. It is so simple and classic and cute and lightweight. So this is a summer win for me. Oh, I forgot to mention, I did get this one in an extra small. Dôen sizing is all over the place. This one runs a little big, so I chose to size down in this. I'm typically an extra small, or sometimes even a small, depending on the item from Dôen. This one I chose an extra small, but you definitely could get your true size if you wanted it to be even flowier. Okay, this next top is so cute. It's a little early 2000s-ish with the rhinestones, but I think it's really fun and a little different. I love a good t-shirt with a little bit of a graphic or embellishment or something just to make it different than your everyday plain t-shirt. So this is from Coucou Intimates. They have a lot of really great pointelle styles, which I love pointelles, so I might have to try something from them next in pointelle. But they do these really cute little baby tees, and I was looking for a t-shirt with a cap sleeve, so this fit the bill. I thought about ordering just a plain white one from them because it's easy and that's what I was originally looking for, but I realized that I have a ton of white t-shirts and I kind of wanted to mix it up. So when I saw that they offer their plain little baby tee with this little rhinestone embellishment across the chest, I thought, why not give it a try, be a little different? And it's really cute. The cotton is really nice. It's a nice weight. It's not too thick, but it's also not too thin, and it's kind of got a little bit of, it's not like burnout, but it has a little bit of a texture to it, which I really like. And once again, I really like the fit of this. I feel like it's the perfect length, and I love the cap sleeves, especially for somebody who's petite. I have a shorter torso, so I really like the silhouette of this. This is, of course, 100% cotton, and I ended up getting this in a size small. I like to get a lot of my t-shirts in a size small, just so I have a little extra room and I'm comfortable. So that has been a win, and I have especially been loving wearing that one with skirts. It is adorable. The next top that I've added to my wardrobe this summer that I've been getting a lot of use out of, it's not really new to me because I have other colors of this shirt, but I've never had the blue. So this is the tomboy shirt from Sezane, And if you know me, you know I love Sezane. We go way back. I actually ordered this one in a size up from my usual size. I got this in a size 36 instead of a 34 because I wanted it to be a little bit looser. The Tomboy is more fitted than Sezane's other shirt styles. It's very classic. And I liked that this came in the blue, and I like the Tomboy overall fit, but I just wanted it to be a little bit more relaxed than normal. So I went for a size up, and I got it in the blue, and I've been rolling the sleeves up a lot, and I've kind of been wearing this more open over t-shirts, using it as a layering piece. As I mentioned, I've been dressing for air conditioning, so most days I have to bring a sweater, sweatshirt, jacket, long sleeve, something to throw over my shoulders when I get cold in my building. But this is great because this has longevity year-round for sure. I am going to definitely be wearing this in the fall and the winter, layered under sweaters and jackets and other things as well. Another thing these shirts are great for is I love to protect myself from the sun because I'm pretty fair and I burn very easily. So having an extra lightweight long sleeve that I can throw over whatever I'm wearing is an essential. So loving this one. The final top that is new in my wardrobe is actually this one that I'm wearing right now. This is the Function t-shirt from Aritzia, and this is a Pima cotton. It is the best t-shirt. It is so nice. What I really like about this is it's boxy and it's a really thick fabric. This is a very high quality t-shirt, and I actually believe it's on sale right now. So if you're looking for a thicker, structured t-shirt, I would definitely recommend this one. I looked it up. It is navy. It's really hard to tell. It's kind of in between, but I kind of like that because I can wear it with blue and black and you can't really tell the difference. I got this one in a size small and I've been wearing it non-stop this summer. And I also bought it in gray. So I would definitely recommend. It's been my favorite t-shirt. So the next item I picked up is this beautiful skirt from Dôen. This is the Melanie skirt. This is a new launch. And what I love about this is a shape that they've done before, just a classic midi slip skirt, except for instead of doing it in silk, they've done it in this really nice cotton poplin. It's so comfortable, so breathable, and it's a little bit easier to care for than a silk skirt. I love that they've incorporated the lace still with the cotton. It's a great combo, and I think it looks really great with little t-shirts, especially the one that I got from Coucou Intimates, so cute. So I have been loving this, and it looks amazing too with ballerina flats or sandals. It has an elastic waistband, but it also has a side zip. So I find that the fit of this is kind of spot on, at least it fits me very well. It's hard to speak for everybody, but I find that this fits very nicely. I did end up sizing up to a small just because I wanted to make sure that I had enough room to wear this comfortably, and I do. I think that was the right size for me. I don't think I would have sized down to what I consider my traditional size, an extra small. Also because it is this cotton poplin, it's lightweight, but it is like a little thicker. It's slightly sheer, but not that sheer. So as long as you wear skin-toned undergarments, you really can't tell with this skirt. I know you can see my hand a little bit. It is kind of meant to be that way. On their website, on their sheerness scale, it has 5 little dots. If you look at I'll put it up here on their website. So it's not entirely opaque, but it is one step away from being opaque. So I'd say that's pretty good for a white cotton skirt, especially in like a summer fabric. I've been loving this one. It is so cute. I would 100% recommend that. I love white skirts for summertime. Okay, the pair of pants that I've been getting the most use out of this summer is this pair of cargo pants from Citizens of Humanity. I love Citizens of Humanity. I find that their pants and denim fits me really, really well. And I really like this color because they are a khaki, but I think that they lean a little bit more cooler toned, which works better for me and my wardrobe. They do have traditional cargo pockets, but then they also have a bit of a barrel leg, which I personally really love. And I think like the fabric is just a nice kind of lightweight summer fabric. I don't sweat very much in these when I wear them. Pants are so hard in the summer, and I find these pretty breezy. Fabric content is 100% cotton, so these do loosen up a little bit with wear, but I did buy my true size. I was debating that online. I feel like some of the reviews say that they run a little bit big. I wanted them to be a little loose and baggy, but I do find that my true size fits me pretty much as expected. I got a size 25 in these. They also have a 27-inch inseam, so they are perfect if you are petite. I did not have to hem these at all, and I've been getting so much wear out of them. They're so good. Love them so much. I would definitely recommend them. Okay, actually these pants might be my favorite pants ever to exist. These are the Ruti on the loose work pants. And I had been debating this style for a very long time, and I'm very glad that I finally added them to my wardrobe. They are made out of a very nice, lightweight, almost kind of athletic fabric. They're like a woven athletic fabric pants, but the shape of them is very elevated, so they don't look like athletic pants when you're wearing them. They have this great elastic waistband, and the front is just flat. So I've been wearing these to class at least 1 to 2 times a week. They are my favorite pants. They're perfect if you are a student and you're sitting at a desk all day because they do not dig in. They feel like sweatpants, but they're also lightweight enough that they're perfect for summer. I do think that I'm gonna get used out of these year round. I honestly can't wait to wear these for traveling. I think these are gonna be my ultimate travel style pants, but overall the length is just really nice. I did end up getting these in a petite, and I believe the size I got a size 4. I think they run a little small, and I believe their sizing starts at a size 2, so I just kind of adjust. I'm typically a 2, but I decided to get the 4, and I'm very glad that I did. Like I said, I've been wearing these a ton to class, mainly with this t-shirt that I have on right now, and they look really cute with flats or sandals. So I've been dressing them up, wearing them with my denim jacket. They are just so cool and so comfortable, and they're unique. I feel like this is not a brand a lot of people know about, and I've really enjoyed the products that I've tried from them so far. I have another pair of pants from them. I will also link those. They have a button on the front, and they're very similar in terms of fit, but I can tuck things into those because they have that button on the front, and they're also very, very chic. This is my last pair of pants, I swear. I got the Ciara pants or Kiara pants from Sezane. These are a great lightweight option for summertime, and they're also cropped. So once again, they look really good with sandals or flats, or I've been wearing them with my espadrilles a lot too. These are, I believe they're almost 100% cotton. I think they're 96% cotton and 4% elastane. So they're really, really stretchy. But the main reason I got these is because I have had a couple presentations this summer, so I've had to look a little nicer, and it is so hard wearing nice business clothes in the summertime because you're just roasting. I found that these are a great balance of looking put together but also being appropriate for summer environments, and I really like the fit of them. I used to have the Clara pants, and they definitely run a little bit small. These fit the same way as the Clara. The only difference is the flared leg. And so I did actually end up sizing up to a 36 in these, and I am very glad I did. That was my perfect size. So if you don't already own these pants, I know these are a classic and a lot of people have these in their wardrobe, especially longtime Sezane fans, but I love them, and they were kind of a surprise for me. But when I was looking for an easy cotton work pant, these really were the only option I could find that I also felt was like a good price. So love these. Thank you, Sezane. You're always there for me. Finally, I have 2 pairs of shoes. There have been crazy shoe sales within the last couple weeks, so I picked up 2 new pairs because I needed some new ballet flats. My other style that I've had for a few years is getting very worn out. These are my new babies. They're so cute. These are the Regency slipper from Monde Beryl. I've been wanting these for so long, but they were not in my budget. However, there have been some really amazing sales. I think I got these for 70% off from Essence, and they're great. They're so comfortable. I love the studs because they add a little something different to my wardrobe. They're so funky, and I love the almond toe shape. Something about that is just very flattering when you wear it. And I think it complements a lot of my really cool Beryl pants that I've been loving this summer. So these have been a win. I feel so lucky to have found them for such a great deal. I will be continuing to break them in and get good wear out of them for, hopefully they last me a long, long time. They have very nice, like thick, structured leather. It's not too soft. So I did get a little blister the first time I wore them. I've been wearing these with protectors for the last few times, but I do think they're starting to soften up, so eventually I will not have to do that anymore. But I actually think that's a good thing because I have had ballet flats where the leather is really soft from the start, and while they don't give you blisters, they also don't hold up as well over time. These I think are really going to break in nicely and fit my foot. It's gonna mold to my foot, so I really, really love these, and I love the studs. I think they're so cool. The other pair of flats I got, they're not really flats, they're more of a little baby heel, are the Repetto Camille heels. And what I love about these is they do have such a tiny heel that they basically feel like you're wearing a ballet flat, but they do look a little bit nicer. So as I mentioned, I've had some days where I've had to dress business casual, and I needed a new black shoe that could kind of fit that bill but still be comfortable. I cannot wear skinny tall heels anymore. they hurt so bad. So I needed something cute and practical that still looked professional, and I love these. They're so chic. I think they look amazing with that white midi skirt that I've been wearing from Dôen. And once again, I found them on sale somehow. These never go on sale. You can get them cheaper if you go to France and purchase them. I found a site with them on sale though, so I'll try to link it below because they were an amazing deal, and it's really hard to find the black pair, especially on sale. So that is everything that is new in my wardrobe for summer. I've been trying to stay cool and wear a lot of cotton and keep it breezy. I would love to hear down below if you found anything amazing this summer, or in particular if you found any amazing sales, because there's been so many. So please leave me a comment on that down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.